to the ball game.
Ha? Ako ilakaw.
Ben, kata na. Inaraw na.
Let's go, start of our ball game. First
Abli
five
juga
ball
to Ben.
teams, be
Ben,
ready.
abli juga to giskrin ako.
Again, this is our first game for seniors category. This is our first game. Again, second game for seniors category. 450 Marinar Tailoring. Matic Baong, Team J.
Shoutout tayo yun. Wala.
Standing is
Live na ta.
Let's go, start of our ball game.
Ano?
Ha?
Ano ka video ka mo? Ano?
Wala. Kita ka nag-pwesto ko dito, wala nag-video.
Stop.
Kami ba kami ganyan?
Forfeit. Icing. Fire! Score 3. Spicy yummy hot dog. Ni A. Caper dribbling the ball. Caper stops.
Should I sub?
Crossover.
Takot.
Fire number 29, but there's a foul. Who's foul? Ref foul number 29. Pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 29. First throw, no good. Again, shout out Vicky Fierce. Salamat sa pa-highlights.
Abot to Mark.
The first league queen. Second throw is good for number 29. Score is 3-1. Favor of Team MJC Medical Supply. Ogie Boy, nakatawanan si Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy finds Cole. Cole drives to the baseline. Pass to Jimena. And it's good for 2 by Glenn Jimena. There's Tagalog. K-Box. K-Box behind the back. Pass to Daniel. Yeah, Daniel, low hesitation 3. Wala. Rebound by number 29. 14 seconds, shot up. Finds Daniel again. Drop pass to Gas. Serge, drop pass again. Nice pass. Good for 2. Noah. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 18 seconds, shot up. Ogie Boy. Fires for 3. Campania E. What a shot by Ogie Boy. Labaw ang 5. Team MJC. Sirs, hawak kayo, Sirs. Fires, wala. Rebound by Ventura. Pass to Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy, up. Ogie Boy, cross over. Ogie Boy, extra pass to Cole. Cole, dribbling the ball. 13 seconds, shot clock. Finds Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog, but there's a foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. Tagalog finds goal from the top. Voila! K-Pox behind the back. K-Pox. 18 seconds. Shot clock. Drop pass to number 29. Number 29 drives. Floater no good. Rebound by number 25. Tagalog. Nakuha ni Daniel Gil pero out ang Team Sin City. Mula sa MJC. Tags to Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy. 12 seconds shot clock. Ogie Boy fires. Wala. Rebound by Gas. Sirs. Good for 2. Easy 2 points coast to coast. Again, Labaw tulong. Team MJC. Ventura. Pass to Tagalog. Step back. Ventura, awan. Easy 2 points. Kafer. Again, 4 minutes and 40 seconds for first quarter. Sirs. No hesitation, jump shot. Wala. Ogie Boy stops. Crossover. Ogie Boy finds Lance back to Kenneth. Jump shot is good. Easy 2 points. Kenneth Cole. Serves. CJ McCollum. Wala. Rebound by
Thank you so much.
Bounce out of Sin City. Mula sa Team MJC Medical Supply. Again, ang score 12-5 in favor of Team MJC. Ogie Boy nagmadali na naman. Finds
Ay, mag-ali-ali, man.
Drop pass. out of bounds. Stepping on the line. Mula sa Sin City. Sirs, pass to K-Fox. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 18 seconds shot clock. 29. Back to K-Fox. Looking for a foul. But the basket is good. Okay, boy up. Can it go? Good for 2. Brick pass ng Team MJC. Torrejas, hawak kayo. Torrejas. Pass to Caper. 14 seconds shot clock. Caper. Pass to number 29. Number 29 drives. Layup is good. Tagalog. Pass to Ventura. To Cole. 20 seconds shot clock. 3 minutes remaining for first quarter. Cole. Pass to Ventura. Back to Cole again. Cole, hindi tagapasahan. Back to Lance. 8 seconds shot clock. Tagalog. Good for 2. Air Tagalog. Daniel Niel. Step back. Fires for 3. Looking for a foul, but it's good. Ogie boy. Wala. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Spicing Yummy Hotdog. Hawak kay si Spicing. Spicing fires. Wala. Rebound by Tagalog. Tagalog kinain. Was a call. It's gonna be a traveling violation. Mula sa Team Sin City. Again, number 29 dribbling the ball, crosses over. Passing his defender. Number 29 power move. Wala rebound yung ni 29. But there's a foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 29. Again, our score 7-16 in favor of Team MJC Medical Supply. First throw is good. This go. Weekends, get it, Pamela Bello. Second throw is good for number 29. 16-9 in favor of MJC. Again, this is our first quarter. Under 2 minutes, 18 seconds shot clock. Okay, boy. Drop pass to Labs. Extra pass to Cole. Corner 3. And 3-pointer is good. Kenneth Cole. Cheat code. 10-point lead for Team MJC. Caper dribbling the ball. Caper uses the screen. Step back. Shoots for 2. No good. Rebound by Tagalog. Tagalog pass to Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy finds Gunato Marzuk. Good for 2. What a pass by Ogie Boy. Kusog kay Mudagan si Spicing up. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 29. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Again, there's a minute left in the first quarter. Sa Sirs, fires, wala, magpasa rin o. Good for 2, number 29. Again, score 21-11. Cole dribbling the ball. 35 seconds remaining. Cole. Pass to Ogie Boy. Back to Tagalog. Tagalog wide open for 3.
Hey!
Fire is good. 25 seconds remaining. Caper, nagbamadali. Caper stop. Dribbling the ball. Caper wide open for 3.
Hey!
14 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Ogie
Batalan niya.
Boy. Stop. Floater is good. 4 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. End of first quarter. Again, score 26-14. Favor of Team MJC. Let's go. Start of the second quarter. Mula sa Sin City. Sin City was in midfield. Gio, it's good. Caper. Good. 2 points. Layup is good. Again, scored 16-26. Favor of Team MJC. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball, scanning the floor. 13-second shot clock. Cole finds Lance, finds Gunato, back to Ventura. 5-second shot clock. Cole, Air Tagalog, kinulit.
Okay.
Wala. Caper, coast to coast, stop. Extra pass to Daniel, wide open for three. Boy cash in, Malatio, wala. 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining.
Agoy,
Steals. Caper wide open for three. Pointer.
Yes!
Arong, number 3. Grabe si Arong, hit check for number 3. Okay boy, 13-second shot clock. Tagalog, fake pass. Finds Gunato, corner 3. Wala. Rebound by Daniel. Number 29. Drop pass to number 2. Left-handed layup, good for 2. Again, our score 21-26 in favor of Team MJC. Medical Supply. Okay boy, really the ball. 20-second shot clock. Okay boy, 5 number 25, number 25, Cole hesitation, looking for screen, finding his open man, finds Lance, drop pass, finds Cole for 3, wala, rebound by number 29, nagmamadali, strong move, drop pass to CJ McCollum, number 29, miscommunication, number 25, dribbling the ball, pass to Cole, whoa, what a pass! To Cole again, fake pass, jump shot, good, wala, day. Rebound by Air Tagalog, stop, wala, Ogie Boy gets the ball. Simple move by Edwards Campania. Again, there's 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining for second quarter. 18-second shot clock, Caper. Ogie Boy, pressuring, Ogie Boy, wala, awag kasi Caper crossover, what a move. What a layup, the basket is no good. Backs, long pass to Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy. Finds Cole. Wala. Cole stops, shoots. Good for 2. Time out, Kingston City. Pass to his brother. JJ Arong to Arong connection. 29. Drop pass to Daniel Yen. Back to number 29 again. Number 29 drives, bombs. Layup is good. Strong move for number 29. Again, there's a 7-point lead for MJC Medical Supply. Ogie Boy. Bounce pass to Tagalog. Answers for 3. Again, 10-point lead. Again for Team MJC Medical Supply. Keeper dribbling the ball. Pass to CJ McCollum. 3-pointer, 2-pointer, wala. Okay boy. Drop pass. Wala. Tags Negritoyo. Kenneth Cole to the corner. Drives to the baseline. Layup is
Hey!
Kenneth Cole. Number 29. Dribbling the ball. 29. Floater. Wala. Iya, give it an offensive rebound. Steal by Cole. Cole nagmamadali. 24 seconds. Shot clock. Cole crossover. Cole right at it, but there's a foul. Foul number 3. I'm 11. Substitution and out. Number 11. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 10. Cole.
Ay, okay.
First throw is good.
Mura-mura ito.
Ogie Boy, kagising daan si Ogie Boy, aka Slam Aga. Second throw is good. Shout out sa mga idol niya, kanang gayelo, kanang nas-tarak-tarak na kwan. Sa mga tarak-tarakan, idol, both Steve out. Dave Steven Jimenez, 40 up superstar. Sir, strong move, wala. Number 10, Cole, shooting the ball. Under 4 minutes, 18 seconds. Shot clock, Cole. Hesitation, steal by Caper. Hawak kay si Sir. Easy 2 point. Wala.
Ogoy! Sana man na, oy!
Number 14, Ogie Boy. Pass to Cole. Fires for 3. Wala yapon. Rebound by Caper. 20 seconds. Shot clock. Service almost out. Lose the ball,
Dagan,
turnover.
dagan.
Ogie boy.
Dagan, go.
Away kay
Go.
Ogie boy.
Ball, patay sa kanan.
There's a time out. Time out. Team. Sin City.
Ako ulang ah.
Oh, I know what you had to do tonight. Number 29. Fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Sirs. Gas. Wala.
Agoy!
Rebound by Ogie boy. Ogie boy. Ang up. Ogie boy. Ogie boy. Ogie boy. Ogie boy. Crossover. Ogie boy. Spin. Wala. Crossover. Then the back. Ogie boy. Pass to Tagalog. Fakes. Drives. Basket. No good. Foul number 0. First personal foul, second team foul. Ogie boy drives again. Almost turns it over. Miscommunication. It's gonna be a stepping on the line. Bola sa team Sensere. Sensere. Ato daw ipasmount sa inyong 1 meeting song sin team si. Caper dribbling the ball. Caper finds number 29. Number 29 fakes, drives. Wala, turnover. Ogie boy goes to goal. And 2 points is good. Layup good. Daniel wide open for 3. Fires for 3. Wala. Medyo maalat si number 16 ngayon. Okay lang. Kula po rin kulang na. Wala yung premium na gasolina niya. Number 10, Cole.
Di ba ka mo?
Ogie boy, wide open for 3. Air ball. Rebound by Caper. Caper, gidalian ka by Caper. Stops, fires. Party!
Hey!
3. Caper, wrong. Again, 3 out of 3 field goal from the line. From the 3-point line, Caper wrong. Number 25, Tagalog. Fakes. 8 seconds, shot back, Ogie boy, wide open for 3. Rebound by Air Tagalog. Nakuha ni Spicy niya, may hotdog to Ventura. It's gonna be an out of bounds. Bula sa team. Sin City.
Ba't ba ako siya?
I would nick Baby, I'm pass to Caper. Arong to Arong. Caper fires. But basket is no good. Kenneth dribbling the ball. Kenneth. Pass to Marzuk. Marzuk. Good for 2. Looking for a foul. The basket is good. Mugara sa na ba si Spicy niya ni Handok. Number 16, Torrejas. Left handed layup. Layup no good. Rebound by Ogie boy. 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 18 seconds, shot clock by Ogie boy. 35 seconds remaining. Tagalog fakes. Fires from downtown. No good. Downtown kinalagkan. Dito na spita idol. Number 3, Arong. Drop pass to Gas. Sirs. Wala. Rebound by Ventura. 18 seconds remaining. Last shot, 10 seconds remaining. Cole dribbling the ball. Cole finds Tagalog. Tagalog, 3 seconds remaining. To beat the buzzer! Yummy hot dog! Spicy! Again, score 44-28. Medyo naging makapahimos rin pa. Kakilometer kambay. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Fire for 3. Wala. Rebound by Caper Arong. To Daniel here.
Isaac Owan, please.
Again, 14-point lead for Team MJC. 27 shot clock.
Agoy ni Owan.
Ogie boy.